Hello friends, today I'm going to take you on a tour to show you how to trade binary options. I want you to focus with me closely. I've opened all the high percentages in the market on the Quotex platform. We're going to take trades together, and I'll teach you how to draw in the areas from which to take trades. Follow along carefully. Let's look here. The market was making lower highs, if you notice. Then it reversed from this area and buyers entered. Buyers are making higher highs, all right? I see that there is accumulation happening here, but I believe this area will break and buyers will continue to push up. So I'm going to take a $1,000 trade in an upward direction for 1 minute and we'll see how it closes. I noticed that whenever sellers enter, buyers push the price up. So this trade will close on a correction candle, and then the next candle will close green, indicating a rise because it made higher highs here. As you can see, our trade closed with a profit. Let's look for another opportunity. Here, I see that the official market has been dropping. Every time the price goes up, sellers come in strongly. If you notice, every time the price rises, it drops sharply. The strength of the sellers is much greater than that of the buyers. So, I'm going to wait for the candle to go up a bit, and then take a $2,000 downward trade for 1 minute. Let's see how this trade closes. If you're having trouble seeing the market clearly, I recommend changing to a higher time frame so you can better see the overall market trend. If you're new to the field, you'll see that the official market has been dropping, so it's impossible to take an upward trade when you see the market is down. That's obviously wrong. Remember to always analyze the trend before making a trade and pay attention to market signals and indicators. Let's wait and see how our trades close. Again, this trade closed with a profit. This is trading. If you'd like me to continue or teach you other things to help you understand the field better, don't forget to subscribe. This will really encourage me to continue with the channel. I was happy to start this channel and share useful information with you. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Trading can be challenging, but with the right guidance and strategy, it becomes manageable. Always remember to practice risk management and never trade more than you can afford to lose. I'll be providing more tips and strategies in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. I appreciate your support and look forward to helping you become a successful trader.